Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh. Alright, this night, I'm a plant man because I'm going to promoting this noodle. Can you imagine that? This very tall, this new noodles we call that Duta Bireuen, this very tall also. Here, the Arief street, the region is Lamyong. Not so many people, not only people, but also every single people visiting here just taste this, this noodle nowadays. I myself, I never taste this before. This noodle very totally than before. You know what? Noodle pangsit Bireuen is originally from Aceh exactly. How the pure, flavor, how the people create this noodle very totally awesome. This meatball and you get fried after that you boil it, it's stove, almost 15 minutes or 10 minutes only. It's very totally make you very totally healthy. So don't forget stop by here, not so far from Aceh, just stop by Lamyong, call back the street, just 4 kilometers from Bireuen Ambassador, and then 2 kilometers from Jalan University. This is very tall also. Every species, every single plate here, there's only this is just only 13,000. It's only 15,000. It's very tall, cheap. No round leg. It's not expensive. That's round leg. No, it's very tall, cheap. So don't forget stop by here. So you can taste this. The best noodle world right now is alright. But one more time, do not forget like because I myself, I have to, involve love two together, because the more important thing, involve love two together, this taste this noodle, Duta Bireuen, pangsit Duta Bireuen, very delicious. Alright, kata for now.